start the layering process. It's curved in the back of her head, right? So we're not just yet at that section from ear to ear ready to go to 90 until we take this inch that we put right above it, right? So we parted off about an inch above that 5-inch section in the back. Does that make sense? Now we're pulling out to 90 degrees. This is going to be far enough away from that 0 degree line that we created at the floor that we don't now chop into that 0 degree. Does that make sense? We want to be further enough away, close to the parietal ridge. You can tell it's the parietal because see how the light is bouncing off of the roundness of her parietal ridge. That kind of lets you know when the hair is beginning to bend up to the apex, bend up to the crown, bend around the roundness of her hair. You're pretty much above her ears all the way around. And now we're pulling out to 90 degrees using the section right below it as our guide that we created at 45. That was the beginning of those layers down in the nape and down to the 0 or the floor when we did it in natural fall. So now we're going in. I wanted to just zoom in right here. Again, point cutting, creating a solid line, but not so straight that it's so hard. This will give her a grown out feeling with this haircut. Again, this is somebody that does not get a ton of haircuts all the time. She kind of lives as a curly natural, lives as, Jalen with the long hair, but she was open for me to cut as many layers as I wanted. So I was really thankful that we were able to do this haircut. But typically long hair ladies don't always want to get haircuts. So I'm being mindful to keep checking my guideline that I created at the floor. I'll just use that term floor. Anytime you hear the word floor, I'm talking about that 0 degree that we created. I don't want to cut a new guide. So I'm being mindful that the inside or the creases of my fingers is showing me where the floor is or where the guide is. And then above it, now putting another 1-inch section on top, those layers are going to begin to stack up, right? Going all the way up to the apex or to the top of her hair or to the crown.